User's Interface Explanation. Welcome to ArcheloLAB. You can access our MVP through our official website by visiting ArcheloLAB.com and simply click on the Beta Application button on the top header of the website. You will then be taken to the search page of our beta application where you can search for the professionals in the industry under your preferences and expectations. Furthermore, you will be able to see a few images of some of the best designs that have been done by the professionals that have been registered with us. By clicking on the Sign Up/Login buttons on the top right of the page, you can easily register with us or log into your existing account. Once you fill out all the required details and sign up, you will be sent a confirmation email to verify your email address. After the verification is completed, you can log into your account. On the search page, by providing the required details, you can search for the professionals who have been teamed up with us. On the results page you will be shown the professionals that match your given details. To get a better understanding about each professional, you can visit their individual profile and see their services, portfolio, ratings and etc. If you are interested in working with a selected professional, you can simply click on the Hire Now button on their profile. Once you hire the professional, you will be taken to a page where we ask you a few questions to get a brief understanding about your preferences and the requirements. Once you complete this step, your project will be initiated. Through your profile you can see all the projects that you've been initialized. Each project has a separate dashboard where you can see all the details related to the project including the status, budget, timelines, progress and etc. In the next versions, we are planning on adding many more awesome features to our platform, such as online meeting system, two-way communications, online payments, and etc. Please bear with us while we work on all these amazing features for you.